How are you today?
I'm good.
Please tell me about your work experience.
I worked before in the Philippines as a sales lady, and after that, I worked as a sewer for 4 years, and then after that, I'm going to the Saudi Arabia, and I'm working there as a servant, and
How long did
only
you work?
only two, only 2 years,
Okay, and after Saudi
and after
Arabia,
that, and after Saudi Arabia, here at Abu Dhabi,
what is the nationality of your employer in Abu Dhabi?
Filipino.
How many members in the family?
It's 3 members in the family.
How old is the child?
It's only 3 years old.
Can you tell me what were your duties and responsibilities while on the job?
Cleaning, cooking, and take caring of the baby.
How long did you work with this family?
It's 3 years,
And why you
almost.
decided not to continue your contract?
Because of my salary, I need a little bit higher.
Okay, how much salary are you looking for?
It's one eighth of
What is your favorite task? It is cooking, cleaning, or babysitting?
anything.
What type of food can you cook?
So I know how to cook Arabic food,
Like,
and of course, like a kabsa, kofta,
okay.
magruba. Anything.
How do you know if the baby is sick?
If the baby is not, is crying or is not, because if the baby is not feeling well, is irritated.
And if the employer is not in the house and the child got sick, what is the first thing that you would do?
Of course, my first priority is the kid. I leave it all the things, and my priority is to take care of the baby.
Do you consider yourself lucky and why?
Yeah, because until now I'm alive.
What are your hobbies?
Reading books.
And what is your favorite books to read?
Only the Bible I read.
And how long do you want to work here in UAE? For how many years you want to work?
As I can, maybe 10 years, 20 years.
Okay. And do
Like,
you think you would be a good housemate to your new employer?
yes, of course, because all of my all I do it good. My and all my responsible, and I can do anything.
Thank you. Nice talking with you and have a good day.